Alright, so we've got movement, switching and so forth. What we need to do now, this is reasonably standard stuff when it comes to controlling using arrow keys when you move stuff around. And you have it this kind of 3D look about it. And what we'll do now is we're going to get rid of a lot of this code because a lot of it's actually duplicated, believe it or not, and which we did to make them. So we're going to use a block. We'll call it move. Now, what we need for our options are costume. So we've got to keep this bit for each one of them, but the bit inside we can use a block instead. So costume, the costume names and the size and the Y and the X. Okay, so we're going to get that. So we've got the position we keep it, the costume number, we will have a number input called costume. Okay, and then we're going to have a couple of strings. And then we've got size, X and Y. So size, X and Y. Alright, so there's our, and I've moved this down the bottom so we can watch what's going on here a little bit. Okay, let's just push these down, give ourselves a little bit of space, and we'll work on the down arrow first. So, and then we'll swap things around. So if we plonk that up there and put this down here like this, we've just got to watch what's happening here. Okie dokie. So, move. So this will go down arrow and go up here and do stuff. So, the Y, oh wait a sec, no that's wrong. The Y position has to stay with the down arrow. This is the bit that we want. Okie dokie. Now, if costume number equals 1, so that's 1. This one we put D-O in 2 and D-O-W-N 1. And then, so, costume 1, costume 2. The other way around, isn't it? So that one is actually there, and that one's actually there. As we go to 2, then 1. So costume 2. Oh, we put them back to front. Goodness me. Keep them in order. 1. It doesn't actually matter, to be honest, but one way or the other it still works. Okay, now, to change the size, so the size is 2 for this one, okay? And the X position is, just a sec, I'm just going to put one in there. So the Y is -5. Alright, and we need to change X in there, and that is going to be 0. Okay, like that. So down arrow key pressed. Let's see if we get a result. Down. Yep, it's still working. Right, so with up arrow, just keep that there for a minute so we can see what we're up to here. And we've got to move inside there for our up arrow, and that becomes costume number 3, up 1, up 2, and then the next one is size, which is, have a look, -2. The X is 0 and the Y is 5, like so. So let's see. Up arrow. Down, up. Ooh. Ah, yeah, well, let's see if that works. Right, down, up. Yep. Okay, so there's our up and down. Now, let's move down here for a minute. We need this out. Let's put that up there now. This is the bit that we want. So move, costume number 5, right 1, right 2, size 0, X 5, Y 0. Alright, and this one, that goes in there, 7, down 1, down to 0, negative 5, 0, like so, and we see whether we've got everything working properly. Down, 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 up, 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 left, 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 right, 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 okay. It would help if I made that left and this one left. Now let's see what we've got. Down, left, right and up. So a lot less code, same outcome.